Good morning, my dear viewers. After a long time, I'm uploading a video. I got busy in some work. See, as you know, I have this fish tank over here. I always try to keep different types of fishes, or you can see different species of fishes. There, I like the bright colored ones, the contrast, and many factors have to be taken into consideration, like whether they're compatible with each other or not. So now these all fishes, as far as my best understanding is concerned, they're compatible with each other. Yeah, goldfish also can keep in it, but what happens is even the mollies will peck them. Even these tiger ones, these tiger, it will peck them. Almost all are pecking the goldfish. So what happened is whatever goldfish I had, sooner or later they died. Okay, now recently what I did is I got two blackmores. See, here they are. I got two blackmores, but I think once again they are facing the same issue what the goldfishes were facing in this tank. So what previously also I think two of them died. Their eye is being after pecking, I think their eyes are bulging out and eventually they die. So what happened now, I separated them in this particular tank, okay, or a box sort of thing. Now what happens, they because of their poop and all, every now and then I had to clean this manually. Okay, so it has become a difficulty for me. Now I was thinking of something, some innovative thing. Now a plan came in my mind. What if I put this entire box in this fish tank, and you know what, when I put the flakes or the fish food here, it will automatically go through these pores. It will automatically go inside. Fine. So I don't have to give them the separate food. At the same time they can eat it. One point is that, and then the others won't be able to peck them, okay, and they will have their own freedom, and the likelihood the like-minded species we can put here. Maybe the goldfish we can put here, or some other fragile type of fish species we can put in the same box. But now my point is, will that what is it called, the purifier, will that be able to clean this setup as well? I don't know whether it will be able to clean it or not, because see, I think it is intaking from that ground, from the bottom surface. So if it's taking the pressure from there, then I don't think it will be cleaned off. Please let me know in the comments, if I put this here within it, at least they will get the same environment sort of thing, feeling like we are among the other fishes. Please give me your comments. Before taking this step, I want to know from your side whether it will be it will be an optimal decision of mine to put this fish box into this tank. Okay, of course they will be safeguarded. Okay, they won't the others won't be able to peck them. Okay, they will try to eat their own food, because all others are always at the food, they're like scavengers. They're always coming near the food, vertically, horizontally, in all the directions. This tiger one just simply stands like this 90-degree and tries. See the other one, my God. And they hardly can see. And sometimes the food remains on the bottom level, but still they are unable to see, because their eyes are like, they're placed in such a manner by Almighty. So please let me know through the comment sections, and also let me know through the comment sections which all fishes can I put here and which all can I put here. Okay, so this will be my category 2, and this entire will be my category 1. Okay, please let me know whether that vacuum, that pump, will be able to take out the dirty stuff from this box as well. If not, then what am I supposed to do so that they can be linked with each other? Thank you so much.